Do you use hearing aid batteries and want to know how to improve your battery life? Well, in this video, I'm talking about 6 easy ways to maximize your Zinc Air battery. Coming up! Hi, I'm Dr. Derek, audiologist, audio engineer, and musician with ProFitHearing.com, bringing you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids, headphones, and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications if you enjoy this video, and check out my free ebook in the pinned comment and description below. Today, I'm talking about 6 easy ways to improve your hearing aid battery life. Zinc Air battery technology is used in today's disposable hearing aid batteries. So what can you do to get the most out of your hearing aid batteries? Number 1, expiration date. Every hearing aid battery package should have an expiration date listed on the back. Always check this date before you buy batteries. Most hearing aid batteries have a shelf life of about 2 to 3 years. Number 2, storage environment. Check your storage environment. The battery life can be affected by extreme temperatures and humidity. It's best to store your hearing aid batteries in a dry, room temperature environment. Don't store them in the car, in the refrigerator, or the bathroom. Also, keep your batteries in a storage container or in the original packaging so they don't accidentally make contact with other metal objects in your pocket or purse. Contact with metal objects can short out the battery. Number 3, battery sticker. Leave the battery sticker on until you're ready to use your battery. Zinc Air hearing aid batteries activate once you remove this sticker. This exposes holes on the top of the battery and allows oxygen to flow inside to react with the zinc. Once this process starts, it can't be stopped. Also, make sure to allow your battery to sit for a few minutes to fully activate before you insert it into the hearing aid. Number 4, open battery doors. Open the battery doors at night. This shuts off your hearing aid when you're not using it, and it helps preserve the battery. Wipe off your battery and battery compartment with a dry cloth if you see any moisture. You want to make sure to keep moisture out of the battery. Number 5, use a calendar. Put the hearing aid battery sticker on the calendar when you change your battery. This allows you to track how long your hearing aid batteries last so you don't change them earlier than you need to. When your battery is low, the hearing aid should also play a warning beep to let you know it's time to change your battery. If you have 2 hearing aids, change the battery on both sides at the same time. Number 6, monitor streaming use. Streaming audio from your phone or other devices to hearing aids can significantly impact battery life. So just be mindful of this and consider reducing your streaming if needed. Also, make sure to keep your hearing aid batteries away from children and ask your hearing healthcare provider about any hearing aid battery recycling programs in your area. If you're experiencing excessive battery drain, even with new batteries, ask your provider to troubleshoot the hearing aid. So just one last tip. If you're thinking about getting new hearing aids, consider rechargeable hearing aids. These use a lithium-ion battery. Rechargeable hearing aids are placed into their case to charge overnight and should give you enough power to last your entire day. A rechargeable hearing aid might be more convenient for you, especially since you don't have to change the batteries. So for today's question, which of these strategies have you used to maximize your battery life? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is posted. Remember to check out the notes in the description below for more information and connect with ProFit Hearing on social media. Be a part of the ProFit Hearing community. If you're interested in hearing aids, click on the link in the description below for my free ebook, How to Buy Hearing Aids. Know what to ask your audiologist or hearing aid dispenser so that your hearing aids are easy to use and have all the features you're looking for. Remember, ProFit Hearing brings you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids, headphones, and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.